tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. Thought that we could work it out, but it's no use. I think I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm feeling good without you. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, but I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you'll hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. I did everything for you, even though you gave me nothing back. I guess that I wasn't enough this time. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, but I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you'll hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. It's alright. I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it, you didn't want it. I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you'll hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you'll hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. I guess that I wasn't enough this time.
Was it easy when you were a little boy playing in the kindergarten? Easy. Life was always good to you, or did you struggle like so many others? Easy. Finish school and graduate, growing up and finally be a man. Easy. Never let your feelings show, 'cause if you do, then you could get your heart crushed. I know it's hard to love and let go when you're trying, don't succeed, no. Just take the bad with the good, that's how life goes. You worry way too much, just take it